friends, it's me, Gizmo, and my mother really didn't do a very good job with the Saturday Matchup Walgreens video because I already found a couple mistakes. Maybe you can like this video and let me know if I should do all of the matchups moving forward for the rest of December because she's not really doing a good job. Guys, let me know. I hate making mistakes, but I kind of thought they would do it or they wouldn't do it. But in store, these kisses are $5.29, so the 50% off price is $2.65. And online, they also changed it. So they're a casino that doesn't like to lose. I kind of thought maybe it would be $3.29 an online price, but that is not the case. So we're still going to work out a deal if you like these for baking or gifting, or you just like to have them around the holidays. It's still a really good price. So we do have an IVC coupon, which is a one-time use digitally. So load this, guys. And even though it's Reese's, Hershey's is included. It says Hershey's or Cadbury holiday candy, Hershey's Kisses. So load this guy. And yes, if you're going to grab like 4 bags, 6 bags, 2 bags, it will work in multiples of 2s as many times as you wish. I think the cap is 20. If you might have one of these from last week, I know I have a lot of register rewards. Let's throw that in. Alternatively, you could use Walgreens cash if you wish. Grabbing very easily 2 bags of these, that's $5.29, subtracting the IVC. Use a $4 register reward or $4 in Walgreens cash, you're paying 29 cents. Remember to buy them in sets of 2 for the IVC. And if you wanted to grab 4 bags, 6 bags, 8 bags, maybe use a bunch of Walgreens cash for the balance or register rewards if you have it. If you're doing this with a booster, obviously you can't use Walgreens cash. But yeah, just a neat little deal for some cheap candy. And this is the cheapest I've seen it at all the stores. So if you know, this is a pretty good deal. And there was one lonely bag of the Grinch candy. This stuff is moving quickly. Next couple deals I'm going to show you is if you just want to go to the store and do a couple deals, not really messing around with boosters. So the Palmolive is $2.99. A lot of you got a 75-cent digital. I don't know if I didn't load it in time or I wasn't paying attention. A lot of you that love to look at the tags, $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. And there is no real limit to that. So I grabbed 8 for a transaction and I got $12 back. So boom, there it is. That is working. So just grabbing 2 lonely ones, that's $5.98. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish, and you're going to get back your $3 of Walgreens cash. So it makes it $2.98 for the 2. And again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or store register rewards so you're not paying so much out of pocket. The next fire deal that if you're a home cook or you just like these freezer bags, they're $2.99. The smaller sandwich bags are like $2.79 or something like that. They're on a promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free. And we have not seen that in 8 months, maybe. It's been a long time. So this is a really good deal, especially with those larger bags, especially if you're a home cook. So grabbing 3 of the large ones, it's $2.99, and it shakes it out to 99 cents per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or a store register reward, so you're not really feeling this one out of pocket. Okay, this is another really great deal on the Oral-B brushes. They are $5 a pop this week. When you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. And we got a very generous 5 off of 3 digital coupon this morning. Boom, here it is. So a 5 off of 3. Please make sure you have that one loaded. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA account, they're giving $2 back for each brush. So that's $6 back. Double, triple check that you have the same rebate as I. Looking at the mathematics for this, 3 of these is 15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 10. Getting back a $5 register reward, $6 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $1 money maker. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay that down. It's just a simple, quick deal for some free toothbrushes, and that's what we like to see. Just to show you guys, here's my $5 register reward. There's nothing greater than getting one of those for that Oral-B deal, so I'm very, very happy. Yet another deal that we haven't seen in a while, the 4 for $9 for the Tide Simply, the Downy, and the Bounce dryer sheets. As of January of 2023, the P&G will not be circulated in newspapers anymore. The inserts, I made a video on that. So this is our opportunity to really stock up. And guess what? I don't even have digital coupons to go with this, but using a bit of Walgreens cash and a little bit of intelligence, you can make a deal happen. Those bounce sheets, I think I gave like all of mine away to extended family, so I needed to stock up on those. And then also the Downy. So if you wanted to mix and match or grab one of each, you can do that. It's just a really good deal for these products. Grabbing 4 for $9, I would add a dollar filler, a candy bar, something cheap. That's $10 on the nose. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and just pay down the tax and call this a really smart deal. And again, we're doing this without a booster, thus we can use the Walgreens cash. Another really good deal is with the Dawn Power Wash, priced at $4.99 this week. We also have a $2.25 digital coupon. If you didn't use it, I believe you had to load that last week. And here is the sales price. I think it's like usually like $5 and some change for that over at Walgreens. Grabbing one of those for $4.99, subtracting that digital, you're paying $2.75. Again, if you're using this without a booster, yes, you can use a Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. And I mean, even throwing this in a laundry bundle for somebody for Christmas, I think everybody loves Dawn Power Wash. Now, the first deal we're going to look at is if you're just using this specific booster, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. A very easy deal. We're not doing anything too crazy today. We're going to grab 3 toothbrushes for $15 and then 2 of the Palmolives for $5.98. This is the digital coupon that you need loaded, which is a 5 off of 3. Alternatively, you also might have a 75-cent for the Palmolive. Unfortunately, I don't even have one to show you guys. But if you have it, it's a little bit more savings per VU. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, please make sure you have this guy loaded, which is $2 back for each toothbrush. So that's $6 back. Looking at the Oral-B brushes is $15 on the nose, 2 Palmolives for $5.98 for the total of $20.98. That booster, you have it loaded. You have one 5 off of 3 digital coming off. You're going to pay $15.98 with your debit card. Get back $8 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, 3 for Palmolive, plus a $5 register reward for buying those Oral-Bs. Then you're going to photograph that receipt, submit it to IBOTTA for $6 back, making this free plus a $3.02 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using that earn 5 when you spend 20 booster. The next basket that we're going to look at, this is the one that I specifically did. So I had this booster loaded, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20, plus I had this print out of the machine, $9 back when you spend $40. So this girl needed a $40 basket to make this work. I also threw in $12 of register rewards to make something happen for me. And these were all from last week. If you look at the top, it says manufacturer register reward. Thus, I can use it in this transaction. Show you guys my basket. I have 8 Palmolives, 3 of the Complete Home gallon storage bags, and then $15 of the Oral-B brushes. That's like $41 and some change for this basket. I had this guy loaded, which is a 5 off of 3 for the Oral-B brushes. And then over on IBOTTA, I made darn well sure I had this, $2 back for each of those brushes. Looking at the math for this basket, 3 Oral-B toothbrushes for $15, 8 Palmolives for $23.92, 3 Complete Home bags for $2.99 for the total of $41.91. I had my booster loaded, 5 back when you spend $20. I got the cashier to scan the paper one, which is 9 back when you spend $40. I had one 5 off of 3 digital, plus I had $12 in manufacturer register rewards from the previous week. With my debit card, I paid $24.91. I got back $26 in Walgreens cash, a 9 and a 5 for the booster, plus an extra $12 for buying all those Palmolives, a $5 register reward for the Oral-B, plus $6 back from IBOTTA. So it basically made this transaction free plus a $12 moneymaker. If you want to look at it a different way, I used, $12 in register rewards. It would just be a free haul if you don't have those register rewards. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. You're using boosters, it will mess everything up, but this is a really solid deal. A ton of dish soap. Before I take off, guys, let's have a quick little giveaway. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. We're going for a $10 Walgreens gift card this week. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per shopper. And the winner has a week to get back to me, either email or Instagram message. The winner will also be picked and pinned to the top of this video on Friday the 9th. Good luck, and this is absolutely free to participate. Get out there and get some of these deals, guys. They're terrific. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.